welcome back to my channel.
Today I am going to show you some really quick ideas on how to fold and organize your hijab, scarves or dupattas. So without further delay, let's get started. Begin folding into two, then continue as I am doing in the video.
By folding this method, you can organize in the storage box or in the cupboard.
By folding this method, you can easily store this hijab in a small shoe box. This method can be easily arranged in this organizer. This organizer, which I brought from IKEA, it comes in various sizes. You can store more than 20 scarves in this organizer.
From this organizer, you will find easy to select the scarves.
This is a DIY which I made using hanger, lace and old curtain rings. This is very easy method. This method I use to store my daily wear dupattas. This hanger which I got from my baby's dress. In this also you can organize the scarves. also a single scarf organizer. This is available in all the shops, I think. So these are the simple methods of organizing scarves. Hope you like this video. Inshallah, we'll be back with more organizing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.